Mates, project work gets messy fast when your team is planning in one place and tracking progress in another. You end up spending more time syncing updates than actually moving tasks forward together. Today, we are taking a clean, practical look at Jira as a project management tool for modern teams. My name is Daniel, and in this video, I will walk you through a full workflow from start to finish on a real example. You will see how to set up the space, build a project plan and timeline, and organize tasks so everyone knows what matters. I will also show how the built-in Rovo assistant supports the workflow practically, while keeping decisions and control fully in your hands. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's get into it! Folks, Jira is a project management platform built to support all types of teams, not just software-focused ones. It connects development work with the business functions around it, like marketing, operations, and design. As a result, everyone plans and tracks assignments in the same system instead of separate tools. That way, everything stays aligned across the organization, rather than being split into silos. The platform adapts to how teams actually work, whether that means simple task tracking or more structured delivery. It scales easily so small teams and large organizations can use the same system without changing tools later. Another important part is the artificial intelligence. The first approach built directly into daily workflows. Friends, Rovo helps reduce routine work, offers smart suggestions, and supports faster decision-making without taking control away. That means less time spent on administration and more time focused on real progress. Jira also fits naturally into existing tool stacks through a large integration ecosystem. Thousands of apps in the Atlassian marketplace connected with tools teams already use every day. This keeps information flowing in one system instead of being split across disconnected platforms. Alright guys, I already created a test project called Marketing Campaign for a Marketing Team. For example, we have statistics in the dashboard. 1 task is completed, 5 are updated, and 5 are created in the last week. The status overview uses a convenient pie chart for instant understanding of progress. The priority breakdown helps you see how many urgent assignments the team has, and recent activity shows all the latest changes in real time. The work types show that 100% of them are regular work items. This is very convenient for project managers who want to quickly assess the situation without a detailed analysis of each task. Now, mates, we move to the main area called Board View. This is a Kanban board, a visual representation of the entire team workflow. There are 3 main columns that reflect the flow: To Do, In Progress, and Done. We have 5 tasks, and here they are. Each card is a separate item with a unique number. For example, MC1. This is very convenient for team communication. You can simply say check MC1 or MC2, and everyone understands what you are talking about. Moving cards between columns is extremely simple. Just drag it with your mouse. If someone wants to work on the Facebook campaign, they can drag the item and assign it to whoever will execute this task. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. A very powerful function is the AI assistant Rovo, which can help us right now. For our tasks in 3 columns, we can write a request to create detailed descriptions. I will ask it to add goals, results, and success criteria. And look, in just a few seconds, Rovo analyzed the context of our marketing project and generated structured descriptions. They explain what needs to be achieved. They also show how success is measured and when the assignment is expected to land. It can even suggest a breakdown of subtasks, using AI to propose child work items based on the main objective. Folks, previously a project manager would have to spend around 30 minutes writing all of this manually. Now it takes 10 seconds and it is done. This is called an AI-first approach. Artificial intelligence is woven directly into everyday workflows instead of sitting on top as an extra feature. Rovo immediately offers to add these descriptions to the assignments. I can send it a message. Can you add these details to Jira? And here we see the result. It added each description to its task with detailed, structured information including clear goals, specific results, and success criteria. Guys, it created what a project manager would have spent a lot of time on. Here it took 10 seconds, and it made this update for all 3 tasks simultaneously. This is the real value of the AI-first approach inside the platform. But that's not where it stops. It can even surface related work from other areas, automatically linking relevant tickets, like design projects and engineering tasks, connected to this work. That means everyone can see how their efforts fit together without chasing updates or manually connecting tickets across teams. Friends, one of the biggest advantages is visualization flexibility. Every team works differently, and Jira adapts to any work style. For example, list view is a table format similar to Excel. Here you see all items details in one place: status, assignee, comments, and deadlines. Perfect for detailed analysis and bulk editing. Timeline view is a Gantt chart that shows assignments on a timeline. It helps teams plan work clearly while keeping deadlines visible and the overall flow easy to understand. Calendar view is a classic calendar where we can see tasks and drag them to specific dates. Marketers and event managers especially love this format for planning campaigns and events. Mates, this is not everything. There are also forms for collecting data and requests, and development tools for integrations. Here you can integrate with GitHub, GitLab, and Bitbucket for working with repositories. The platform supports over 2,500 integrations through Atlassian Marketplace, from Slack and Figma to Power BI. The point is that Jira is not just a tool for developers. Over 50% of users are business teams. Okay guys, let's sum it up. Jira combines powerful automation, flexible views, and deep integrations in one platform. The AI assistant Rovo saves time on routine work, while multiple view options let every team work in a way that feels natural. The platform scales from small teams to global enterprises, and the free plan for teams under 10 people makes it easy to try without pressure. Folks, if you want to see how it fits your workflow, give Jira a test run. Which part of project management takes the most time for your team right now? Share your thoughts in the comments. Feel free to check out the links in the description below. You might find some discounts there. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.